Yo, I want some FIFA. Come in, man. Okay, baby, so your dinner is ready, okay? And your friend dinner is ready too, okay?
Okay, baby, thanks.
Love you, baby.
Love you too, baby. Dog, like a girl nice, nah, bro. Like she look good, she can cook, she love your dog and she care for you, bro, and she loyal, bro. Like, she nice boy. I'm jealous, dog, cause I be a crosses girl in my life, bro. God going to be a crosses girl in my life, brother. Dog, I think if you marry her, bro, no care.
Yeah, dog, she too good for me, dog. No, so me go cheap on her, though.
She a cheap on her for.
Yeah, she just boring, bro. Like, why I gotta bless me with a good girl, dog? Why?
Then that no good?
No, dog, we need a bad bitch, bro. Mockers. I gotta go mash up my life, bro. Believe no, man. So yeah, watch her now. Now some girl on my phone still no, bro. So how fi cheat on her with? So we have big body Keisha, big breast Lisa, and pretty face Akira. You see, we have options for options. So how fi choose me, dog? Yo, how fi get her bun with? Yo, you not hear me? Shit, she in here, don't.
So you give me bun, CJ?
Nothing like that, baby. No, nothing like that.
Don't worry, me I give you bun.
Who you give me bun for?
Look here.
Him not ready. Him not handsome like me. Him not ready.
His body bigger than fear, though.
Look here.
You give me bun for Keisha, my best friend?
Yeah?
I can't believe you.
Watch her. Look again. Look on the beer.
She pretty still, me nah lie.
Pretty though.
Look here.
Is that beam that?
Yeah, you know me like beam already.
Me girl have class. You know me.
Wait, so hold on. So you told her cheap each other?
Well, obviously, at 2025, nobody not loyal again.
Right, like.
Hey.